Guys, I'm gonna show you how to make these awesome breakfast taco boats coming up. Alright guys, welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. So glad you're here today. If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. That one right here. And you'll get alerts of all the good stuff we're doing here. Alright, so today we busted out my Ninja Foodi. Guys, I have a confession to make. I have an addiction. Alright. Not to bring this down too much, but my addiction is Starbucks. Now you guys might look at me and be like, you don't look like a Starbucks drinker. I am. And I order fancy drinks. All right. I have at least 4 different things, like upside down or extra caramel or cinnamon powder on top, whatever. Anyway, along with my coffee addiction, I love the Starbucks bacon egg bites. I know, but they're delicious. All right, but they're expensive. If I go every day and get my venti caramel macca frappuccino and then get my egg bites, it's damn near $20 a day for breakfast. I'm ashamed. I have nothing more to say about that. But I'm trying to straighten up, fly right, get on the straight and narrow path to righteousness. I've come up with these breakfast taco boats. All right, you can make these well in advance, put them in the fridge, meal prep for your week, take a couple to the office, and you're good to go. All right, so I'm going to take you through how I made them. It's real simple. The ingredients will be listed below. Real easy to do, okay? All right, so what we did here is I got these little taco boat things from Old El Paso. Old El Paso has these little flour taco boats. Now you can get regular size or mini. I got mini because I was hoping to kind of mimic the mini egg bites that I get every day. But if I had to do it all over again, I would get the bigger boats, okay? The bigger flour tortilla boats. All right, so that way you just kind of put a little bit more egg, a little bit more substance in them. All right, and you can take one instead of have to worry about taking 2. So either way, it's up to you how you want to do it. Ingredients will be listed below. I'm gonna get you over by the cutting board. We're gonna build these little tacos. We're gonna do it a bunch of different ways. I got some pepper jack, I got some cheddar, got some bacon, got some ham, got some sausage, got potatoes for it. And then we're gonna scramble some of the eggs, and then we're gonna crack an egg into a ramekin and just put a full egg in there without scrambling. More than likely, in order to kind of cook everything together, you're not gonna get a real runny egg out of it, but I'm cool with just having the yolk kind of separate from the white. It just adds a different flavor, different texture. So do it how you want. Make this how you want it. That's it. Come on back and we'll get started on this bad boy. All right. All right, guys, we're gonna build these bad boys right here. I've already preheated the Ninja Foodi. This basket is already hot, so we're gonna add just a few things to each. We have I'm gonna add a little bit of sausage in there, a little bit of ham, a little bit of pepper jack, just along the bottom. These are damn near bite size. All right, so just watch how we do this here. Gonna drop the egg yolk in. All right. And just place it in there. All right, so we're gonna add a little potatoes in this one. All right, a little sausage in this one. All right, we'll try a little cheddar in this one. All right, okay. All right, on this one, we're gonna add a little of the already scrambled egg in there. We'll add a little ham in there. Little sausage. Then we add our egg. Okay. Put this one in there. Okay, let's get this bad boy in there. I'm gonna close it. Turn it on again. Bake. We're going to 400. And we're gonna do it for 10 minutes. All right. All right, guys. So we got 10 minutes of baking in. And let's just take a little flyover, see how it looks. I think it looks pretty damn good to me. All right, guys. Let's get these all plated up real nice. Get them ready for the thumbnail. All right, got a little green onion. Got a little bacon here. Oh yeah. You know bacon makes everything better. All right, guys, we're back. We're about ready to try these bad boys. Of course, you know I got my Starbucks right here. It isn't a caramel lapa frappa, whatever, but it'll do. All right, let's try one of these bad boys. All right, what do you say? All right, let's take this one with the yolk split. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's good. Little potato. Oh, that's really tasty. Well, that's damn good. I need a drink of coffee. Wash that down. Oh wow, that is way too easy to do. This can be done in your air fryer too. It doesn't have to be your Ninja Foodi. I could do this in my New Wave Brio if I wanted to. Any kind of air fryer. It's easy to do. Just have a little prep, and you'll be making these and taking your breakfast and saving money every day. All right, guys, that's it. If you guys want to invest in one of these foodies right here, I'll leave a link below and in the comments. It goes to my Amazon store. It doesn't cost any more. The channel gets a little bit for it, but I'm excited. I'm glad I thought about this and thought about doing this. I am spending way too much money on Starbucks every day. It's pretty bad when they get to know you by name as you roll up and put an order in, and they know your order by name. So first step to beating an addiction is admitting you have a problem, and we have a problem, but I have a solution right here. So go ahead and make this. Tell me what you'd put in the comments below. Tell me what you would do to make this special. All right, I'm excited to do this for you guys. I'm excited about this breakfast. I'm excited about saving money, and I'm excited to eat dinner tonight because some of this is my dinner. The rest of it's for the breakfast tomorrow, but we're gonna get on this dinner right now. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.